It looks something like this.
Stop, mixed emotions. Take it all, so I'm not immune. I try. Stop, false devotion.
Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a haul for you, but it is a Canadian drugstore haul. If you guys remember, back in 2016 to 2017, we were living in Vancouver while Matt was filming the first season of Timeless, and back a couple weeks ago, like a week ago, Matt and I took a trip up to Canada and went to Whistler for the weekend just to have a little fall getaway, shoot some fall content. And while I was there, I visited a drugstore and I was like, this could be fun. I'm gonna buy brands and products that I have never tried before and then do a haul with you guys and show you what I grabbed. So let's hop in and I'm gonna show you exactly what I bought. I just wanna know, do you like the hat? Because I like the hat, but Matt, he doesn't like the hat. And I think I like it. Let me know in the comments. Okay, so all of these products and actually some of the brands are new to me, with the exception of one product in particular. So what I wanted to do was grab all new things that I'm just not familiar with and talk about them, because a lot of these, if not all of them, are not even available in drugstores here in the States. The thing that was most surprising to me though is the price tags, but then I had to I had to remind myself that there is a currency exchange rate difference. So the US dollar is stronger than the Canadian dollar, so that means that you're not spending as much US as you are Canadian. Sounds really confusing, but it's not. Google it. Okay, I'm gonna jump in and show you what I got. I'm gonna start with skincare first. Okay, so this is technically skincare. So this is the Tweezerman. It's the Bright Complexion Facial Dermaplaner, and it exfoliates and rejuvenates skin. I have never seen this before. I don't know if it's available in the States. If it is available in the States, I haven't seen it. It was like $42.99 in store, which I think is really expensive for a drugstore thing, which is why I wanted to buy it, because I'm like, okay, I've never seen it before, A. B, I don't even know if you're allowed to sell these in stores in the US, B. And then C, that price point for a drugstore, it just seemed like a lot. So I'm very curious about that. So that's why I got this. The next product I bought, there's two products from the same brand, and I'm familiar with this brand because they actually sell it at my dermatologist's office. It is Avene. I got two different things. I got the thermal spring water, which I have had this before and I love it, and it's just a spritzer and I think it's fantastic, especially for traveling, and it's just so refreshing. But then that's the product I was talking about that I actually have tried before. And then I also got the cleansing foam mousse. So I'm excited to try this because their products are very, very gentle on the skin. And the fact that it's a cleansing foam, I think it could be really good to use with my Clarisonic. So I'm excited to give this a try. We are gonna hop into hair, and I picked up these hair treatments right here. This is the Hask Keratin Protein. So I actually bought a third one and I used it while I was in Whistler, and it was so moisturizing. My hair felt so good. What I did was I applied about half the pack on my hair and then put it up in a bun, and I slept with it in the bun with the product on it overnight. Then the next day I showered, and then I shampooed, so that got all of the conditioner out, and then I used the rest of the conditioner in shower, clipped it up, and left my hair with the conditioner on the rest of my shower. And my hair was super moisturized. It felt really hydrated. It didn't look oily. It didn't look greasy. It just felt healthier. So I really, really liked these. I hope they sell these in the States, because this is just a really nice, convenient little packet, and it works. Okay, next we're moving on to makeup, and we're gonna talk about face first. I picked up I'm getting ahead of myself because I just saw something and remember why I bought it. But this is the Bourjois, I think that's how you pronounce that, Paris Healthy Mix Serum. The reason I got this is because it is a gel foundation, and it's 16 hours radiance boosting, even revived complexion. And it's vitamin-enriched fruit therapy with instant anti-fatigue. I'm very excited about this. The fact that it's a gel foundation is like really intriguing to me. Let's see if it... Okay, so first impression of that is that it is definitely a little bit... Oh, it smells fruity. Okay. So It is a little bit like oilier than I would typically like my foundations. I gotta say it reminds me more of like a CC or a BB cream than it does a foundation. So just, and obviously it's the first impression on the back of my hand. I can't tell how it looks on my face. I don't have makeup on my face, but I'm excited to give this a try. Looking at my hand, first of all, I picked an excellent color. Like that's exactly my skin tone, but it's a very light to medium coverage based on the back of my hand, but I did rub it in pretty well. Wow. That feels really nice. Like really, really nice. Like I just moisturized, but not like oily. I'm excited to try this, but I like the smell of it, so I'm excited to try this. Okay. And then also I picked up a concealer, and this one's from Joe Fresh. I know we have Joe Fresh in the States because I saw them in New York. I don't know if we have them here in California. Oh, and in the Bourjois, I picked up the 53 beige. And then in Joe Fresh, I got the illuminating concealer. It looks like this. What color did I get? In light. Okay, I had to get the packaging off to try it. So that's interesting. It looks like it's just a different applicator than I would typically see. I'm going to put this on the back of my hand. First of all, I don't like the color. It's very rosy. It doesn't look like it on camera, but it is. Okay, that is, yeah, that's not great coverage. It's not good coverage at all. I'm going to just do a little swipey swipe here because maybe I'm wrong. And I'm just going to tap that into my hand. Okay, so to me, first impression is very poor coverage. Yeah, I'm not impressed. It really settled into it really settled into the fine lines of my hand. Whereas the foundation didn't do that. But this really brought, in my opinion, a lot of attention to the actual lines of my hand. So first impression, I'm very intrigued by the gel foundation from Bourjois. But the Joe Fresh concealer, womp womp. But it's just the back of my hand. In case there's any people who love it out there, I just tried it on the back of my hand, but from my first impression, eh. Okay, so we're still staying on face makeup, but we're just gonna switch it up a little bit. Okay, next we're gonna do a bronzer. This is from Essence. This is, oh, I actually bought a lot of Essence now that I'm looking at my table here of what I have left. So this is the Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. And it looked like this. So the thing I noticed about Essence is that it's very reasonably priced. Like think not quite e.l.f. prices, but more maybe Wet n Wild prices. I'm just taking a little bit on here and put on my hand. It does leave a lot of dust. It's not great, I don't feel like. It's just a little side contour of the nose, even though I already have some on. It's a little bit orangier than I would like to see. I like bronzers to be more brown than they are orange. But the consistency is really nice and smooth. So yeah, I'm gonna need to try this out a little bit more. It does dust a lot, which in my opinion, typically, I don't like products that leave a lot of dust. I feel like that it just, the payoff isn't great. And then I also picked up the Essence. This is the Pure Nude Space Lighter. I mean, that is really pretty. I hope the camera's picking up how mother of pearl that is because it's really pretty. This is Be My Space Light. And so, ooh, look at that. That's pretty. Let's do it on the, that's a pretty highlighter, y'all. Ooh, I'm impressed. For the price point, that's really pretty, and it picks up the light really nicely. So yeah, Angela approved. Okay, next we're gonna move on to eyes, and Rimmel obviously is in the States. I feel like Rimmel's everywhere. But I saw this, and I hadn't seen it in the States yet, which it probably is. I just haven't seen it yet, and I just thought this was beautiful, and I had to pick it up for that reason. This is the Magnifies Crimson Edition Eye Contouring Palette. And I think it's beautiful. It's Crimson Edition, like I said, 007. And you guys know, If there is a pink or an orange out there in the eyeshadow world, I am going to buy it and I'm going to wear it. So this had my name written all over it. I'm going to swatch a couple on my fingers. I'm going to go this lightest and then this one next to it. I'm going lightest, that one. Let's do, I'm going to pick the colors that I actually would wear. So I'm going in with that one, then this one, and then maybe the gold. Okay, so right there. Yikes. Okay, so right there you can see, if I put this in front of the camera, will it come in focus? There it goes. You guys can see right there the pigment. First of all, this one is super pigmented, which is really nice because I feel like those burgundies sometimes can have a lot of dust and a lot of fallout. This does not have that. Like, as you can see, like, it really pigmented well. And when I rubbed my finger directly across the shadow, there was no fallout slash dust slash whatever you want to call it. So yeah, I'm impressed. I think that these look like they're going to be really pretty shadows. I just took the shadows off of my hands and just wiped it across so you could see what it looks like. They're super pigmented. Even the glitter shades over here are super pigmented. So I'm really excited about this palette. I feel like I'm going to be making some serious fall looks out of this. So let me know in the comments, should I do a makeup tutorial off of this? Because I know you guys love drugstore makeup. So that could be fun. Let me know. Do you want to see an eyeshadow look with it? I think you do. Let me know. I'm switching gears, but still staying on the same, which is eyes, and I'm going to mascara. I don't know why, but I thought I bought 3 different mascaras. I guess I thought I needed them. Maybe I have more eyelashes than the average bear. I don't know. But I've heard a lot about Essence, and I really wanted to try these. So the first one I got was I Love Extreme Volume Mascara, and then I also got Essence's Get Big Lashes Volume Boost. I wanted both of these because like I said, I've read a lot about these, which, guys, let me know, is this available in the States? I could just Google it, but I'd rather you guys tell me. And B, on the display, it shows the brushes, which is so cool. So it's got like this, well, at least this is how it was in, I think it was Rexall. Or was it Shoppers? It was Shoppers. It was Shoppers that I bought these at. And it had a plexiglass display, and it had all of the the mascara brushes, and you could pick your mascara based off the brush, which, girlfriend, right here, it's all about the brush. Like, if it doesn't have a good brush, I don't want it. So there's that. And then also I picked up Marcel, which I've never even heard of Marcel before. This is the Ultimate Easy Lash for all lashes. And I like the idea of this because of the brush head right there. You can see it. It looks pretty thick. It lengthens and defines. This is the actual size of the brush right there, which I think that that's pretty darn cool. And it is recognized skin health by the Canadian Dermatology Association. So, I don't know. I'm excited to give all of these a try. But I don't know. Which one should I try first? I don't know. Okay, we're switching gears again. And we're going to lips. So I got 2 products from Essence. One is their Soft Contouring Lip Liner, and this is an 08, which is Big Proposal. So I'm going to draw it right here. Man, my hands are a mess. Got all kinds of makeup on there. So you can see. Ooh! That is like a... That is a dupe for... Let's see... I don't think it's Strip Down. I'll put Strip Down right next to it. No, Strip Down's more brown. That's over here. And then this is Essence. It's the other one, Boldly Bare. This is a pretty good dupe for MAC's Boldly Bare because Boldly Bare I feel like has a little bit more of a pinkish hue to it than Strip Down. So that's exciting. And then I picked up their lipstick in Matte 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 01. And it's spelled like Matt's Matte. Like my husband Matt. M-A-T-T. But most makeup, when it's matte and there's no shimmer, it's M-A-T-T-E. But they do all of their mattes M-A-T-T. No E on the end. So That's
awesome.
I just thought that was cool. Okay, I'm going to swatch this for you guys really quick so you can see it. It's right here on the edge. That's a really pretty shade. It's like a pinky nude. It's really pretty. I haven't worn it on my lips yet to tell, but it feels very creamy on my fingers. So that's cool. And then lastly, I have Power Oils Lip Gloss. This is from Vasanti probably. And I bought it in 111 BFF. And I bought this because in store it looked so pretty, like a pinky nude. And here, I'm going to put it right next to this so you guys can see it. Oh, it's a little bit pinker than I thought it was going to be. That's pretty darn pink, actually. It's almost like a bubble gum. Wow. But it's going to pair really nicely with this guy. So, like, take that middle one out because that's MAC. So that lip combination is going to be beautiful. That Essence liner, Essence lipstick, and then the Vasanti on top. That's really pretty. Yeah, I like it. And the cool thing about this, so it's Power Oils Lip Gloss. That's why I wanted to buy it, because I was like, what does that even mean? And it says it's a hydrating treatment with power oils, raspberry peach. Is it jojoba? Or is it jojoba? Does anyone know? And then pomegranate. It's color that shows up, and it's shine that's not sticky. So, pretty excited. All right, that is my haul. I'm really excited about this. I'm just gonna like casually talk to you guys while I clean off the back of my hand because I'm a hot mess over here. I'm really excited about these products. I'm gonna give them all a try. Here's I'll just tell you what my biggest fear is. What if I fall in love, like totally and completely in love with one of these products, and then I have to go back to Canada to get it? Like that would bite the big one. You know what I mean? Like ain't nobody got time for that, you know? So I don't know. I'm going to look up Essence when I get done talking to you guys on this video and see if I can even buy it in the States. But I just like, what if I love that mascara? I'm sure one of you guys, I can bribe somebody to send me some, right? Yeah. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was just fun because I was in Canada and I was like, you know what? I'm going to go do a little bit of shopping. And then I saw all these fun products that I had never held in my hands before or called them my own, and I thought this would be a fun haul to do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below all of the questions that I asked you throughout. I don't remember what they were anymore, but I know I asked you some questions. And don't forget to visit me on my blog, AngelaLanter.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you all so much. And please, 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 please subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And if you are subscribed, turn on the notifications button. Just click the little button. And the reason that you do that is because when I upload a video, you will be among the first to know so that you get to see it first. It's a great bonus, guys. All right, thank you guys for watching. Au revoir.